Hello, you horrible lot. So I've been making quite a lot of progress growing a beautiful beard. What I spent most of my time doing over the past month or so. It's moustache is pretty much at twiddling length, I reckon. Oh yeah, look at that, fantastic. So yeah, I've been doing some bits and bobs. The wiring has got pretty complex, but as you say in the note, it's terrifying. It's absolutely terrifying. So at the moment we've got, yeah, so you can see there the fuse board, and below it is that relay board. Now I've actually blown that up. It turns out that it's got something called triacs on it. I wasn't aware of what a triac was, but it turns out that triacs are for AC use. So it's a DC input with an AC output, and in my inexperience I have made the board go pop. It's fine. It's like an £8 loss, so no worries. I've got a replacement on the way, which is a DC board. Far more appropriate. I don't know whether or not you guys have seen, but I've also had some of the best stickers ever. These will probably come out backwards, but on here we've got bait pump, spreader lights. I think I'm going to have some spreader lights on here. I've got a searchlight. All of those go onto my fuse boards, as you can see here. So I've been working my way through them, but more importantly, I've actually got some things working. This is quite a big step because of, well, everything's been going from scratch. So push. Where are we? We switched on. I think we switched on. That ticking noise is the indicators. Oh yes, super bright LED indicators. Even better, my side indicators are working now. I've never seen anyone do this, but I reckon it's pretty cool. Ready? Check out the side indicators. So I've cleared them off the wing, and I've managed to hide them down the split line on the door. So they're working. That's fantastic. And I've got, as I say, they're all LED bulbs. I've got ready. That's right, windscreen wipers. This is all exciting stuff. I've got this running off of the original equipment. So Toyota have done it a little bit weirdly, but I managed to make it all work, which is cool. What else we got? We've also got so I'll squeeze past here. That is a headlight. So you can hear him whizzing away. So the my face in sharp relief. Crikey, yeah. So it's a bixenon projector. Now I may have to just put some halogen bulbs in there for certain technical reasons, but they work really well. So it's a 55 watt system. That's really cool. I've got rear fogs are working as well. So I've done the commonly known mod on those, which is to run the rear fogs, as you can see there, on the inner set of the 4 rear lights. So I swapped out 2 of the brake lights for fogs. And they all comply to the technical rules, so that neatens up the back end nicely. I've got a few other bits and bobs coming together. As I say, dip and main I haven't got working completely yet because I blew up that board and I need it for that. I'll soon have front fogs working. Front indicators and fogs, of course, are in the bumper, so I've wired them in, but I haven't actually plugged them in yet, but there's no reason why they won't work. Yes, heated screen as well. So I've got, as you remember, my wonderful switchboard, which I've put together. So these are all nice mil-spec sealed switches. They're really very nice things. I'll have the starter button in the end one there, which should be a momentary. But I'm working that so that I'll have a flick on switch, which will then run through this, which is, if we can get it to focus on, it probably won't. It's a timer board. So that's a delay off. So as soon as you switch it on, the timer starts, and after the timer runs out, it switches off. So the heated screen will only run for a fixed period of time. I think I've got it running for like 2 minutes at the moment. If you want it to rerun again, you flick it off, flick it back on again. It just means that I don't run, crikey, what is it? 70 amps. I think it was 65 amps constantly from the battery until I remember that I'm running the heated screen, so it'll automatically switch off. So that's all being hidden inside the switchboard. I think that's about where we are at the moment. There's still plenty more to do. We've got still plenty more to do. Crikey, I'm quite dizzy now. Looking after family. The other thing which I have managed to do is I've quit my job as well, which is quite exciting. A hard decision. I haven't actually got anywhere to go yet, but it needed to be done. I was fed up. So, love you guys lots and lots. Speak soon. Bye.